What is going on, everybody? Colin here with Techout with a much overdue video. And well, I'm gonna get into everything, but we've got we got a bad start to 2026 here. So, as you can tell by the lack of videos and presence online and the crutches right there behind me. Um, if you guys haven't followed me for the past few years, I've been having some bone issues. My bones they're either soft or the bone density is low. One of the two, not really entirely sure what just quite yet. Still going through that process to get all that figured out. Um, but back in 2023, you guys know I broke my foot, and then following the foot, my right ankle also needed to be stabilized and have some work done to it. And then part of that, they put a rod in my right femur because they used some of the bone from my femur to fix my ankle. It was like a bone graft. Um, that had been great for a couple years. Haven't had any issues with it. Haven't had any issues, knock on wood, with the foot, the right foot. And then last year in 2024, I had the infection in my left foot, and they had to do some work to that and that ankle as well. I had that ankle fused back in, I believe it was March of 2024, mid March of 2025 rather. It was just less than a year ago. So over the summer, I finished healing up from all that kind of stuff. I was back walking, back working, all that kind of stuff. It was going good. Wasn't having any issues. From time to time, my left leg would get, like sore here and there. Or last a day or two, it would go away. Happened like once or twice. No big deal. And then a couple weeks ago, the week of Christmas actually, my right leg, my inner thigh, was pretty sore. Like when I would step, the first couple steps, it was pretty sore. I didn't think much of it. My left ankle was fused. It's only been about 6 months since I had that done. 9 months since I had that done. Whatever, math. Um, but anyway, it had been about 8 to 9 months since I had that done. Things are still getting back to normal. I hadn't been walking on it the entire 9 months, so I'd probably been walking after everything was said and done for about 6 to 7 months. So still getting used to the ankle being fused and not moving and walking a little bit differently and all that kind of stuff. So I was like, okay, it's a little sore, whatever. I took a couple days off. Wednesday and Thursday were Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, so I was off work already. I went to work Friday. It was pretty sore Friday. Wednesday and Thursday weren't too bad. So Saturday, I took work off Saturday, just let it rest. Sunday, I was able to walk pretty good with very minimal pain, soreness. I went to the store, um, came home, no issues. And then I was like, okay, back to work Monday. So I went to work Monday, and it was probably got to work at around 9 a.m. I was walking around, um, and up and down, walking around, that kind of stuff. And the more I walked, the more sore it started to get again. It wasn't like a shooting pain or anything like that. It was like a muscle soreness, if in my opinion, I thought it was. Um, and again, it was like when I would first stand up and I would take a couple steps, it would be painful. And then once I got moving, it was pretty okay. It was still a little bit sore, but it wasn't like I could still walk. Um, and here comes, I think it was probably about 2 o'clock. I was walking outside in the parking lot at work. I just come around from the back of the building. I was off on the side, just walking along, and I took a step with my right foot, and boom, I just like fell down. It just gave out, and I fell down. Like it just would not support. Like it wasn't like I stepped and it was painful and I fell down. It was like literally I stepped on it and there was no leg there and I fell down. So got back inside. Somebody helped me back inside. Boss took me to the emergency room, and they thought at first maybe I had just pulled like my I forget what they called it, but it's the muscle on the inner side of your thigh, because that's kind of where the pain was, at least the way I was sitting at the time. The adductor muscle is what it was called, and they said if it's that, then I just wrap it up, give it some time, it'll heal on its own, you'll be fine. But they did some x-rays of my leg anyway, just to be sure, and they came back in and told me I had broke my hip. And I was like, are you serious? And it turns out, I mean, your hip is a joint. Your pelvis and your femur connect to your hip joint. So your hip itself is not, a bone. You can't like break your hip. But I broke my the top of my femur where it looks like a little ice cream cone is how the nurse described it to me. The very top, like I said, I have the rod in my femur, but it only goes up to that point, and then there's that little ice cream cone, like ball joint shape where it goes into the actual hip joint, and it fractured right there, and they're not sure why. Obviously, you should not be able to fracture any part of your femur by just walking. The femur is the strongest bone in your body, and so I have soft bones. We already know that. We're already working on that end of things, but didn't think it was that bad. So yeah, I had surgery. I was in the hospital, obviously Monday when that happened. I spent the night in the hospital, and I had surgery on Tuesday. This was the 30th. Um, Put two screws and two screws, a bolt, and a plate, I think it was, in there to hold it together. I'm currently non-weight bearing, hence the crutches, on my right leg, and so I'm waiting on that to see how that heals. They said worst case scenario, if it does not hold, then I would need a hip replacement. I don't know how, I've heard mixed things about hip replacements. They're not so bad nowadays. They're pretty fairly easy to recover from and all that kind of thing. Not that I want one, but if it comes down to that, I mean, you got to do what you got to do. We'll get it patched back up, but I am looking to hopefully finalize what's going on with the bone density. They've checked me for causes of like osteoporosis and all that kind of stuff, and everything's pretty much coming back normal. The only thing that happened was a couple years ago when I broke my foot. That's when they found out my vitamin D was extremely low, for who knows how long. I don't know how long it was low for, and we I started vitamin D, but I think when I started that, I think by the time my vitamin D normalized, I think it was too late for the bones to be able to kind of catch back up. So they're gonna have to put me on some kind of bone um, growth hormone supplement kind of thing, to regain bone density. They just have to make sure there's no other underlying causes of the low bone density before they start me on that, because it's not good to do that. So I've got all the lab tests done for that. I've gotten everything done for that. I'm just waiting on the next appointment to see exactly what they said. But I've looked at the labs online. Everything is within the normal range. So I'm pretty fairly certain it's probably just the vitamin D back then, and now that it's been corrected, that's why they can't find anything. But we still have to fix the bone density. So like I said, waiting on all that, healing from the hip thing. So I'm once again not working. I mean, which kind of sucks. I mean, I'm still employed. I just am on short-term disability right now. I will put a link to my GoFundMe down in the description if anybody wants to donate and help out. It supports me, my bills, my medical stuff, the channel, all everything. Since I won't be earning as much of a paycheck as I am when I'm working. But thank you guys for watching. I just wanted to update you guys and let you know what's going on. I will be trying to make some videos here in the next few days. Again, I'm on crutches, non-weight bearing, wheelchair, crutches, that kind of thing. So it's hard to get, around, fairly easily. So I also don't want to risk, damaging this while it's in its early stages of healing. So I'm just trying to take it extremely easy. But I just wanted to bring you guys this and let you guys know what is going on. So to those of you guys from the channel and from Jeff's channel, over Sammy Guru and his crew and everything like that have donated to my GoFundMe when I first started it last week, thank you very much. Greatly appreciated. I was able to take care of some of the early hospital bills and stuff like that, from being in the emergency room and that kind of stuff with that. So really helps out, and I appreciate it greatly. You guys have a great day. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and as always, have a good one.